Hi friend, this is me Muhammad Yunus Kashif from HZ Soft Solution Pakistan. In this video I am showing you how to configure the softwares on your local machine. So friend, this is my all open source project and I am sharing with you that how can you configure on your local system and presentation to your clients. So let's go. First of all, this is my VBA development folder. I'm going to, here is a Ghana folder, ERP Ghana. This is my account pro. It's connected to SQL server. So I am extract here. This is my software. So first of all, when I click on it, it's required a ODBC connection. So first of all, I am going to create ODBC connection. How to create the ODBC connection? ODBC connection. This is the old connection I remove and I create again. This is add DNS. My ODBC driver finish and name is a Cash Book Pro and description is accounts management system and my server name is copy. This is my server name, copy. After copy that, I paste here server name. Next, click on access security. Access security is password is. Next, select the database, Cashbook Pro. Next, finish and test data source. Okay, is perfectly working. Okay and okay, this is my database. Okay. Here I connect the link table manager. Okay, select location, select all. Okay, and select machine. This is database. Okay, and here put the name is your user as a login security. Okay, it will be connected successfully and close, and after that reopen. When I reopen the software, this is my software. Admin, this is admin status and login system. Bank panels, creating your local bank on your school, on your office. This is bank type, your bank type, bank account titles, bank title, account title. This is account title, and this is a bank account systems. Like that, this is account system, and second account system is, and this is local, and this is next account is. All the statement is here. Cashbook, this is cashbook panel, opening balance. It doesn't matter because I already this is connected with your bank, and you create the cashbook info, bookkeeping, income and expenses. After that, type the income subtitles and expenses subtitles. If you're searching the expenses, then click here search and type the expenses, find, and expense detail is here. Close. This is your cash book title, cash book name, and this is your cash book. Today I have an entry that some entries like that. I have create a new entry for you. Press F5 and add new. Click here expense, and my expense is stationery like that, 1 lakh. Purchase stationery, exam papers, and expense is 1 lakh. Add, and here you see the add the new expenses here. If you want to print, then you print there. This is your print. Close. This is next configuration panel. Your all system is configured here like that. DB connection, DB, this is your table DNS connections, and this is your ODBC table links like that, your table links ODBC, and this is your bypass key. Close and exit. This is account panel. Second software is just showing to you that demo. This is your demo. How I configured. I click the table link, okay, select all, okay, and going to my VBA and select ERP Ghana and demo educations DB, okay. This is a college and school member system combines, okay. Close and reopen. This is first name server, admin, second user ID is admin, password is here and admin. This is login system. This is account admin panels, hostel panel, library panels. I am showing you the entries. This is entries, records, and this is admission records, entries like that. This is entries and edit, and select the packages, search and package, what is the package, and set the packages here. If someone approach some relations or links, then you will reset the package with reference, and reference name is here, each and everything. This is account panel, hostel panel, library panels, account member system, transport, complaints, configures, and DB panels. I will be teach you in daily modules how to learn and how can we work with this software. So I log out, and this is your copy. This is other software like that, schools. This is schools panels, server, admin. After that, admin, again admin. This is your admin panel. So each and everything is here, like that. School systems and configurations, DB panels. Here DB panel is appear and user panel is appear because I am an admin. If I reset the admin, like account, then is a hidden, a blocked panels. Nobody worked on it. Accounts will be working on account panel, and transport is all is a freeze buttons. No one can be work on there. Only selected issues, selected reference are assigned the panels. If manager is working, admin, second admin, 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is second admin. If I have access to second admin, then will be showing and change and everything. So friend, this is second software, and my third software is fourth software is Party Ledger. This is multi connected software. If I am working just on SQL server, this is your MS Access VBA software, and the second copy is will be finished in tomorrow on SQL base. Admin, this is a Party Ledger, local base system, local management, local shops, and just income and expenses statement on here, like that. Here is my parties. If I want to select and check the ledgers, then I click on it. Here is showing my ledgers, and this is department and your designations, and your employee status is a little bit pending here on employees information. Party informations, type, party type, party informations, like that. This party I have connected again each and everything. This is my party entries. And account ledger is bank titles, like local bank, payment methods, account titles, account ledgers. This is account, your personal ledger, bookkeeping type, keepings, and each and everything here, like that. If I select, here the bookkeeping panels is here, okay. And this is report panel, ledgers. This is ledger panel. If I want to check the purchase return selected, like company name, like my selections, again name, others, and what is my party type, customer, and the shop name is. No have one's record in this record. So just I am showing you next record how is it working, like that. Party ledger, this is party ledger. Select party, okay. First of all, I select the party is the shop name is, and I select the payment today, payment credit, sale voucher, like credit 15,000, add payment, next payment is credit party is sale voucher, sorry, this is a one party, and I select the sale return, sale return voucher number something else, and return is 7,000. So after F5 that it will be showing. So here's the problem, I have a mistake. So I double click on it. This is this is a return option, but not belongs to credit. I want to change the return issues. This is a purchase return. Okay, it will be connect on this. If I reset 7,000, sorry, 7,000, then F5 is okay. If I want to report, select the report, then I click the party ledger is here, sale return, set, select the territory, others, party title, customer, and party name is Shahid Shop, like 15. This is the information and print. If you want to select the purchase return, then purchase return, select ledger. This is showing to you just a purchase return. If you want to click sale return, then click share to you sale return, because sale return is null, so no sale return is here. If I added the record of sale return, then add payment, sale return, voucher number, and return is 5,000, add. So showing to you purchase return voucher is here. If you need to report and select the purchase sale return voucher, then select your business name, company name, region, territory, others, and customer, and your party name is Shahid. This is your sale return options, like that, sale return, and remaining balance is. So this is a party ledger and configures options here, like that, username, district, etc. If I open a second user, then some restricted options like changes has been blocked or restricted for second user without admin. Kashif I check the second user. Second user name is Kashif and 123. Okay. Here's a little bit problem, and I'm showing you in front of you that what it needs. After that, I disable the enable the shift key, going to allow bypass key, enable all settings, bypass key. Okay, sorry, it's not working here. Enable key. So press the shift key and double click. This is bypass, and login system is user login. Going to okay, build HZ soft 786. Here's a little bit problem like that, else condition is here, so I set the else. Open form, user login, and close form, close AC, form. That's it. Just I copy and paste to others, else and else and else. After login, it is showing to me second user. This is second user, name is here, and if I go to configuration panel, is showing to me. So I reset the option in front of you, that navigation menu and going to here if is equal to admin roles 1, then just I copy the descriptions, copy and going to configurations here and I load it. Okay, sorry. Okay, and click here. I want to need some requirements, only user ID, user title. Sorry, I need to user roles. So I don't need I did not need this code. I don't need these codes. Okay, here db me dot btn disable dot visible is equal to me dot btn second button enable dot visible is equal to me dot btn button dot visible is equal to, and what's need more, enable connection menu bypass ODBC btn ODBC and allow bypass btn allow bypass user btn user. Okay, me dot btn bypass dot visible is equal to me dot btn ODBC dot visible is equal to, if admin is true then me dot btn user dot visible is equal to, else false. And false. So let's check out how does it work. So this is the second user. If I click, then all the field is disabled. If admin is login, this is the admin panel. If admin is login, admin user ID is belongs to admin rights, then data will be showing on configuration panel. Admin. Okay, I'm going to configure. This is data is okay. Close. And thanks for this watching my video, and this is a very helpful for to you. And tomorrow I will be meeting to you online, and I will be teach you about these softwares. Thanks for watching this video.